Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Sony TV is online. A stable Wi-Fi or wired Ethernet link prevents app errors. Once connected, press Home, navigate to Apps, and launch YouTube. You'll see a Sign In or Pair prompt. Select it now because signing in lets you access subscriptions and history. Make sure you have your Google account credentials or a smartphone ready for pairing. This prepares the TV to accept your account and moves you to the next configuration step. Next, choose Sign In on the TV and note the activation code displayed. This links YouTube to your Google account. Once done, open YouTube. /activate on your phone or computer, sign in if needed, and enter the TV's code. This step authenticates the device securely. After you submit, make sure to grant any requested permissions so subscriptions and recommendations sync. If you prefer, sign in directly on the TV using on-screen keyboard, but pairing is faster. And finally, verify your profile appears on the YouTube app and play a short video to confirm audio and streaming quality. If playback stutters or the app won't open, make sure the YouTube app and Sony firmware are up to date. Updates often fix compatibility issues. Once done, restart the TV or router to clear temporary network errors. If Sign In still fails, remove the device from your Google account's device list and repeat the pairing. This resolves most persistent connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.